It's a snowy day in Maine. Let's fix a faucet. This is an older faucet that was installed in the early 1980s. It's a little bit sticky and sometimes has a small drip. We're going to replace the cartridge, which is still made. We're going to install a replacement brass cartridge made by Moen. It's part number 1200, available in local stores. We're also going to try using a core puller to remove the old unit. Should make it a little bit easier. We'll begin by turning off the water. I'm going to use the main valve for the house. Fairly quick and easy to do. Next we'll release the water to let the pressure go down. We'll take off the cap and remove the faucet handle. This snaps off and this screw comes out and the handle pulls right off. This plastic extension piece also comes off. Next we take out two screws that hold a trim ring in place. Next we can take off the trim cover and also take out the sleeve. And that exposes a clip that holds the cartridge in. There's a U-shaped clip that holds the cartridge in, and I think I can lift it up with a tool that just grabs a hole. And it's fairly loose. That's what the clip looks like. And we want to use that again. The new cartridge comes with a small plastic tool that we can use to turn the cartridge and break it free. Let's give that a try. Okay, so it looks like it's free. Next step is to try pulling it out. We're going to use a cartridge puller that attaches right where the faucet handle did. So we'll screw this into the same hole that the handle used. Okay. Now let's turn this knob clockwise. And we've just pulled it out. That was pretty easy. This original, or at least this particular cartridge, is made of plastic. Our new one's going to be made of brass. The next thing we'll do is use a 3/4 inch plumber's brush to clean out the hole. This brush is normally used for preparing copper fittings for soldering. It's going to go in 1 minute. This cartridge can go in two different ways. I'm going to put it in so that the name Moen is facing upwards. This will affect which side has hot water and cold water. And this is just a press fit, pushing it in. Okay. Next we have to put this U-shaped clip in. I can jiggle this a little bit with the white tool. And that's going in pretty well. It needs to go all the way down. This clip is now all the way down, and this is what it should look like. That will now keep the cartridge in, and we can turn the water back on. We put the trim ring and the extension back on the opposite way and put in two screws. The last thing is to put on the plastic trim cap. It just presses in.